Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2015 Holden Trax LTZ, stock reference number 4399. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the rear end. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre with the left hand power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got an automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls with seat warmer type, standard MyLink media player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.